Hindi lang palaging sa pag-aaral umiikot ang buhay ng mga estudyante. Minsan, kailangan din nila ng pahinga. Kaya naman tigil muna sa mga modules, exam at clinical duties ang mga estudyanteng ito. Ito'y sa taunan nilang Dentistry Night.
Busy po every now and then. It's very important na at least we can connect to each other with this event. And yun po, it's very important kasi it is the night where we have fun, at least, unlike sa clinics na very busy. So
when it comes to Dentistry Night kasi this really emphasizes yung interactions namin and socializations as a dentistry student. So basically, kahit dentistry student kami, nag-aaral as doctors of dentistry in the future na makakatulong syempre sa community, hindi namin nakakalimutan na we also have to have teamwork as a team. Kasi syempre, dentists are not working alone. We are working as a team and it is important na we build this rapport all together para syempre, strong ties, trust, and syempre, yung culmination ng ganitong activity helps us to be closer to one another.
At para mas maging ingrande ang kanilang event, pinili nila itong ipagdiwang sa Meritus Hall ng Hotel Supreme Mall and Events Center na kayang makapag-accommodate ng higit 2,500 katao.
This is the first time na ginawa tong event namin here in Hotel Supreme dito sa Bago. So this is kind of very exciting. And I think it's something to look forward to kasi this hasn't been done over here. Because at the same time, yun nga, this is the first time na magaganap to dito, so we're anticipating a lot of new things. And syempre, the event has been prepared with syempre a lot of twists na we are looking forward to happen.
Sa malalawak na function halls, kumpletong pasilidad at maasikasong serbisyo, patuloy na pinapatunayan ng Hotel Supreme na ito ang perfect venue ng mga makabuluhang pagtitipon.
Recently, we added a mega, if I may say so, a mega facility, which is the Meritus Hall, and we can accommodate up to 2,500 persons. Before, this is the largest venue, which is the Diamond Grand Ballroom. It can cater up to 1,000 pax, but we have added from 10, we've added at least 4 brand new facilities, which is located in our Hotel Supreme Mall and Event Center.
At sa pagpasok ng Burman, siguradong kaliwat kanan muli ang pagdiriwang ngayong holiday. Kaya naman handang-handa ang Hotel Supreme na magbigay ng espasyo sa mga gustong magdiwang, magtipon at mag-enjoy ngayong Pasko.
We are inviting everyone to check Hotel Supreme because we are introducing a new building, which is the Hotel Supreme Mall and Event Center. Hindi lang siya hotel rooms. You can see different establishments and stores that you can avail of the services. May gym, spa, and everything. There's also new restaurants and cafes. So this coming months, if you want to stay with Hotel Supreme, please visit us and check out the new facilities.
Para sa mga nais mag-book ng kanilang venue, bisitahin lamang ang kanilang Facebook page. Ron Maranan, RNG News.